What's up everybody, this is CryptoBox with another video. If you're new here, I make videos daily about blockchain games and NFTs. Subscribe if you're here to make some gains. Also, check my Discord and Telegram down below in the description. You can find me there, ask me questions, give me suggestions, and communicate with other people. So let's get started with the video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about Sidus, the city of NFT heroes, and this is a very new project, and they're really new to the point where they're basically not on CoinMarketCap, and they're not listed on CoinGecko too, so they're very new, but this is a really cool project nonetheless. Now, you can see right here, this is their Twitter page with next generation browser gaming metaverse, play to earn, rule the Sidus station with your guild, fight for victory with others. Now, you can see right here, they get so many likes for how many followers they have, and also to not even being on CoinMarketCap or anything like that. So I think that's really cool, and you can see they post every day, multiple times a day actually, and they get very good likes and feedback from their posts. Now, one thing I really like about this project is if you go to their graphics right now, or their website to see their graphics, this is gonna be their team or their about us page, so we can just get introduced to their website and their project. Now you can see Sidus is the result of the biggest collaboration in the NFT space, and then there's 3 teams of professionals in different domains, and a large number of their supporters came together to launch an AAA level RPG game based on blockchain and crypto philosophy. If you scroll down here, you can see you have a lot of different team members, and you can see all of them right here. You can hover over them, learn more about them. Then you have their partners and investors or backers. Then you have their expert team creating cutting-edge interactive entertainment solutions. And then you have their statistics with their Discord community having over 33,000 members, over 6,000 NFTs, 53,000 Twitter followers. Now, if you look at that, that's 83,000, so that's even better. And yeah, that's their About Us page. Nothing really to learn about except for this text right here, which I could go through. The Sidus NFT Heroes team features a large number of highly skilled blockchain developers with years of experience in building DeFi and NFT products. Many Sidus team members come from the game development industry and are skilled in applying cutting-edge technologies and multimedia solutions. Then they say the Sidus team hasn't just created an amazing play-to-earn blockchain game journey, offering many opportunities and adventures. They've created a whole DeFi system with farming pools, staking, a marketplace, in-game launchpad booster, and more. So that's really good. And then if you go to their homepage here, this is where you get to look at the really good features of their platform. Now, if you look down here, it says a futuristic play-to-earn NFT MMORPG with an amazing blockchain journey full of adventures and opportunities. If you click on the next page, here you can see that Sidus transports players to a world based on crypto and blockchain philosophy, which a major technological transformation has taken place. All living beings in Sidus have become one with technology. Now, this is basically how their storyline goes. You can see the cool graphics in the background, seek adventures, build and equip your spaceship, and go on intergalactic missions. Pillage the galaxy as pirates plunder the seas. So here you can see this is like some of the graphics, the maps, and what they're planning to make. Then here you can see even cool like 3D models and animations. Build legions, unite heroes from different backgrounds, train and rise together. Use the multiplayer feature to fight together. If you go into the next page, you can see build infrastructure in a world of chaos, be the maker, farm for your resources, craft, build, and develop your corner of the universe. Even more images, and you can see they put some real good time and effort and design into this project. You can see participate in political life of the universe, get elected, represent your race, and lobby your interests. So it's not just, you know, going out doing PvE and PvP and quests and stuff. You can see you can actually, you know, be like members of such a big society, or you could be even one of those leaders. Here you can see your Sidus heroes where are going to be the NFTs. You can see they have cool different designs, and that Sidus is a universe of NFT heroes that come from different blockchain planets. Affiliation to planet determines the hero's race, characteristics, appearance. Each gaming character is initially a non-fungible token, which is an NFT from one of the Sidus collections that serves as an entrance ticket to the gaming metaverse. Here you can see they have like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Solana, Polygon, all these different blockchains right down here. And this is a button to buy their NFT heroes right here. You can see they're listed for a pretty high price, and that shows that they've already progressed to a point. And here you can see, you can click on an NFT. You can see it's been offered many different prices, even going all the way up to $1,800. So that shows that people like this project and that they're willing to invest. You can see, find the animal you like, raise it to become your most loyal companion in all adventures and battles, meaning quests, battles, PvP, PvE, and etc. Boss fights, who knows, when you're adventuring. Then you have craft and trade. You can go to a bazaar where anything from skill fighters to artifacts from distant comets can be found, basically being able to exchange and trade your in-game items or NFTs in the bazaar. You have explore the metaverse, so this is also a metaverse game, which is really interesting, and that's really good because metaverse nowadays is becoming trending and is growing. Travel through the universe, visit blockchain star systems, and get to know their culture, build connections, and meet fellow nomads. Then you have create your creature. You can see there's some animations here where they're changing up their creature they're making, you know, the looks, the appearance, weights, whatever you want to call it. Choose your blockchain system and grow your team member with parameters you prefer. Here you can challenge others to duels, prove your PvP skills in a one-on-one fight with players, advance your gear, have no mercy for your opponent. You can see there's a little image back here where you have two different characters having a one-on-one fight, which is PvP. Then you have the roadmap up here, and the roadmap is actually crazy. It's like one of the biggest roadmaps and detailed roadmaps I've ever seen in my life. Shows that they have a really good goal in their project and that they want to advance. Here you can see preparation for planning. This goes from Q1 to Q3 of 2021, which we're basically done now. And if you scroll down, you can actually see there's quite a bit of pages here going all the way to Q3 2025, which is so long ahead. You can see there's still so much details they're going through and how they want to advance their game, their project, and etc. You can see launch version 1, Q1 2022. They want to launch, it seems like, a bunch of different details here showing like introduction for profession. So this shows that they want their version 1 of the game. There's even a launch version 0 where they launch their in-game token or their governance token, which is their DAO token. And you can see launch of Sidus marketplace, farming pool, staking boosters, all that stuff. And it just goes on for so many pages. You could literally check right here, Q4 2023, still going on with so many details. And I think that's great. So that's their roadmap right there. If you go to their white paper, now there's so many details of their white paper too. It's not just the roadmap. You can see it goes all the way to 41 pages. But I'm going to be covering only the tokenomics and the token sale. Now, you can see Sene is going to be their DAO token or their governance token, basically. And they're going to also have a gaming token, which is called Sidus. Now, if you look at their DAO token or governance token, you can see this is their tokenomics. And it shows that ecosystem would be about 106 million, or basically 35%. Then you have team being 21%, private round being 16%, reserve fund being 9%. Seed rounds, which is like the first ever sale for investors and all of that, would be 7%. Liquidity would be 5%. Partners would be 3%. Public pre-sale would be 2%. And public sale would be 1.5%. Now, that's their governance token, so that almost has no relation to their game. But if you go to their gaming token, this is where you get your play to earn rewards, and trading in game in the bazaar that they've said. And here you can see that 50% goes to ecosystem, but the total tokens here is going to be 30 billion, while the governance token will be 300 million, which is, pretty balanced so far from what I'm seeing. That 30 billion should be for the game, as there's going to be so many buying and selling and offerings in the game compared to just normal exchanging and trading for their governance token. You can see that private round gets 16%, reserve fund gets 9%, seed round gets 7%, team gets 6.5%, liquidity gets 5%, partners get 3%, public presale gets 2%, and lastly public sale gets 1.5%. So yes, there is also going to be some pre-sales and seed rounds for their gaming token, not just for their governance token, which is, I didn't expect that, but that is pretty cool that they've also made a seed round and private sales, and, even for their partners, some tokens. So yeah, that's basically for their tokens and their roadmap, their white paper. You can go through, because this would take a whole 3 days to go through if I was going to read it out for you guys. Tell me, what do you think about this project? I think it's really, really in depth, and you can see that they have even way more tabs up here that you could go through, and that's just way too many for me to cover. So this is just a small introduction. Tell me, what do you think about the project? If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Comment what you want for the next video and what game you recommend, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.